the diagonal chop with resistance band. Before you begin, make sure to watch this video all the way through. Understanding the details and nuances of this movement will help you perform it safely and effectively. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with the resistance band anchored at chest height to your right side. Grasp the handle with both hands, keeping your arms straight but not locked. Engage your core and position your body to face slightly forward. With a slight bend in your elbows, pull the band diagonally down toward the outside of your left knee, following a 45-degree angle. Allow your feet to pivot slightly to the left for smooth and natural rotation. Once the pull is complete, slowly and with control, return to the starting position. Keep your abs and obliques engaged throughout the motion. This exercise targets your obliques, core, shoulders, and upper back. To maximize results, focus on the muscles you're working as you move. The mind-muscle connection is key. Move slowly and deliberately. Avoid using momentum to pull the band, and instead, rely on the strength of your core and upper body. Maintain good posture and keep a slight bend in your knees for balance. Perform 12 to 15 repetitions on this side, then switch to the opposite side, adjusting your position so the band is anchored to your left. Remember, focus on form and precision over speed. Quality movements build strength and prevent injury. Stay strong and controlled with every rep.